All Catalans here present and those who have not been able to travel with us today but are here with their heart have gathered to proclaim that we want Catalonia to have a place in the world alongside the other nations of Europe. We are here because we want a free nation, a modern nation, one which is advanced, just, responsible, cultivated, open to the world and proud of itself. Because we have full right to this and because we want a state of our own. Once democracy was recovered in 1977, Catalonia recovered her dream of regaining her political status within a democratic federation. However, as a result of the coup d'etat of February the 23rd, 1981, Catalan hopes of reaching a bilateral relationship with Spain have been dashed. This has become clear in the appalling episode by which our Statute of Autonomy has been mutilated, a process which still doubtless will be confirmed by the forthcoming sentence of the Tribunal Constitucional Español, in which a body made up of biased judges at the service of the Spanish parties, PSOE and PP, is to decide against the will of our people as expressed at the polls. Dependence on the decisions of the state, of the Spanish people, is leading us to a desperate situation. Daily, the Catalan language is losing vigor and prestige as its social usage is progressively reduced as Spanish institutions launch campaigns of cultural homogenization, highlighting the idea that there is one language, theirs, which is superior. Parallel to this, the difference between the taxes our citizens have to pay and the public services we receive in exchange can only be termed a case of outright spoliation.